Today's medical-centric topic is how to sleep with a cough. 12 tips for a restful night. A persistent cough can make it difficult to get a good night's sleep. Whether caused by a cold, allergies, or other conditions, finding ways to reduce coughing at night can improve your rest. Here are 12 practical tips to help you sleep better with a cough. 1. Elevate your head. Sleeping with your head elevated helps reduce coughing caused by postnasal drip or acid reflux. Use extra pillows. Propping up your upper body can prevent mucus from pooling in your throat, making it easier to breathe. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking water throughout the day helps thin mucus and keeps your throat moist. Sip water before bed. Hydration soothes irritation in the throat and makes it easier to sleep. 3. Use a humidifier. Dry air can worsen a cough, so adding moisture to the air may help. Run a humidifier. A cool mist humidifier keeps the air moist, which can reduce throat dryness and irritation. 4. Try honey. Honey has natural soothing properties. Take a spoonful of honey. A small amount before bed can help coat the throat and ease a cough. 5. Avoid cough triggers. Common irritants like dust, smoke, or allergens can aggravate a cough. Eliminate triggers. Keep your bedroom free from dust, pet dander, and other allergens that could worsen your symptoms. 6. Take a steamy shower. Steam can help loosen mucus and reduce coughing. Shower before bed. A hot, steamy shower can help open up airways and reduce congestion, making it easier to sleep. 7. Use over-the-counter cough medicine. Cough suppressants can be helpful in reducing nighttime coughing. Try a cough suppressant. Look for an over-the-counter medicine designed to calm a cough, especially if it's keeping you awake. 8. Gargle with salt water. A saltwater gargle can soothe an irritated throat. Gargle before bed. Mix a teaspoon of salt with warm water and gargle to help reduce throat inflammation and coughing. 9. Sleep on your side. Lying flat on your back can worsen a cough. Sleep on your side. This position can help keep your airways clear and reduce coughing. 10. Avoid dairy before bed. For some people, dairy products can thicken mucus, leading to more coughing. Skip dairy. Avoid consuming dairy close to bedtime if you find it worsens your cough. 11. Use cough drops or lozenges. Cough drops can soothe your throat and reduce the urge to cough. Take a lozenge before bed. A medicated cough drop can provide relief by numbing your throat and reducing irritation. 12. Keep your bedding clean. Allergens in bedding can trigger nighttime coughing. Wash bedding regularly. Keep your sheets and pillowcases free from dust and allergens to minimize coughing triggers.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.